Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Ripio Exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on register. Then we enter the registration section. Enter the country of residence plus email address. Choose a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering all the informations, click on register. We're going to receive an email. In order to confirm our email, go to your email, click on Ripio, click on confirm my email. Our email was verified, then enter your email and password. Then click here. We entered our account's dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video we're